Hello and welcome back. This is the last tutorial on our general workflow how to use Ruby. So as you can see from the previous video, already in the previous videos we initialize the model and run it, and as you can see there is an additional window called the global result plot. Okay, so let's open this firstly. This is what is called world result plot. As you can maximize it, you will find here the simulated pressure, also the simulated gas oil rate. If you can't find this legend, you can just right click and then click on legend. Okay, also you can output the result from here. You can export the data, copy the graphic, whatever you want, you will find it here. Also you can control what you are seeing on the screen. So from show, I'm sorry, so you have to go to here in the plot option and click on show, and you can control what you are seeing now. So maybe I want to see the GOR and the water cut in additional to the simulated oil rate and gas. Click apply, and as you can see you will find here the GOR and the water cut already populated. Okay, and also you can change from here for all or the producer or injector oil. So that's all for this window. If I can come back to here, and for this window, which is the production log, I minimize it and I want to visualize production log from behind this casing. So just full scaling, and then full range. I have to choose full log range. Okay, just click on it, and once you click like next or animation, you will see the evolution of the production log with time. Okay, so that's all also for this window. The third one, which is the global result plot, and as we saw in the world result, you have here the global result, and you can change what you're seeing now from this window. Okay, also you can export the data, whatever the result you want. Just right click also if you want to open the legend, so you can see now what you are seeing on different charts. The last window that we have is which is the 3D window, and on the 3D window you can play with the cells and see the evolution of different properties. By default, the default property that is shown here is the pressure at the last time step. So I just want to make like scaling for this, so I will choose move this scroll to the right. Okay, and as you can see here, this is the pressure. If I want to change it to, I can revise any property, either it's static or dynamic, so I will change it to the dynamic property, the saturation. Okay, and I will come back to the first initial time step. As you can see here, this is our well, producer well, and this is the injector, and these are the folds that we were created already. Okay, so how also I have some options for the filtration. So how I can do this, I will click on data filtering, then enable filtering, and I want to see just the grids that is above like 30% saturation from the initial and with the evolution with time. So I will choose here the saturation, and okay, and above what 30%. Okay, also I can change it from here, but I will leave it as a fraction and click apply. Okay, so as you can see here, we don't have any cell that's above the 30%. So but by evolution with time, just click on this, you will see here it's very logic and rational, because we have here the increasing in saturation around the injector well, and it progress toward the producer. So these all the windows that you will have after you run the simulation. And that's all. This is the last video on general workflow. We will continue inshallah, but with some tips and tricks and general specific points in Rubies. That's all for this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. See you later.